Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what the Spotify app is and how to use it. Let's get started. Spotify is a popular music streaming app where you can listen to millions of songs, podcasts and playlists from artists all over the world. You can play music for free with ads or get a Spotify premium subscription for ad-free listening, offline downloads and unlimited gifts. It works on phones, tablets, computers and smart speakers. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Spotify on the search bar at the top of your page, and after the icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open your app. Sign up with the email, phone number or social media account. Log in and allow any permissions for notification and storage if you want to download music. The home screen shows personalized playlists, recently played songs and new releases. At the bottom you'll see tabs for home, search, your library, premium and the plus icon to create. Tap the search tab right at the bottom of the page to search song, artist or album you want. Browse results and tap a song or album to play. Use the player controls, play, pause, skip, repeat, shuffle and volume. Then tap the three dots for more options, add playlist, like, share or view artist profile. To create and manage playlists, tap your library section right at the middle on the bottom of your page. Tap on that, then playlist, tap on the plus icon at the top of your page, and then you can build playlist right from here. Give it a name and optionally a cover image. Add songs by tapping the three dots, add to playlist. You can also follow public playlists, like or reorder songs anytime. For premium users, open a playlist, album or podcast, toggle download. The songs will be available offline under your library. Download, tap search postcards to browse thousands of shows. Tap a postcard, subscribe, then download episodes for offline listening. Use Spotify Connect to play music on smart speakers or other devices. Use daily mixes, discover weekly and release radar to find new music, like songs to improve your personalized recommendations. Use crossfade and sleep timer in settings for a better listening experience. And that is how you can use the Spotify app. Search and play music, create playlists, download songs and enjoy podcasts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down. Thanks for watching. Bye.